Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a Dollar Tree beauty hacks video, just because you can use so many things from Dollar Tree for your vanity, to use for hair accessories and etc. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so let's first start off with makeup hacks. Now, Dollar Tree, like I said, has so many products and things that you can use for your vanity, for your makeup, for your hair accessories, jewelry, like absolutely anything. So I came up with this one right here, and these are actually napkin holders. As you guys can see, I display my makeup palettes with these, and these are supposed to be used for napkins, and I use them for my palettes. I absolutely love it, and I put it together just so I can hold more palettes, and like once I display it, it's like all in one, and you can just look at them and see them on your vanity. If you want to display them on your vanity or in your Alex drawer, in your makeup room, wherever, I think this is such a good idea of a good way of displaying them. Just as makes it nice and easy, and you can see them, like you don't have to have them hiding, especially like some of your favorite palettes. I prefer to have some of my favorite palettes on display so I can see them all the time. That is why I have them on my vanity. But another way that you can display them also is buying one of these. Now, usually these are used like for picture frames and stuff like that, but you can use them for your palettes. So you can go ahead and buy a few of them and just display your palettes like that. I think it's super cute, very convenient. I definitely feel like this is such a good way of displaying your makeup palettes, especially if you want to display them like this one. And this one is more it's better for like larger palettes, like if you have very big ones like the Morphe palettes. I think those are good for these, that you can display them and they will look super nice on your vanity. So I definitely recommend them if you like to display your makeup palettes. And then another thing that I want to talk about beauty related is this right here. So I always had the trouble of how do I display my lipsticks, just because it's so hard to stand them up without having them fall all over. So I came across this, what is this called? This is a butter holder, like to hold your butter. I went ahead and picked it up, and I wanted to try it out. I'm telling you guys, this is like the best invention ever. So I went ahead and displayed all my lipsticks in this butter holder, and it came with a lid. So what I did with the lid is, I'm going to show you a clip right here. I stored my nail polishes. It was such a good idea of doing that, just because my nail polishes were like all over my Alex drawer, and I was like, no, I have to find a way how to display it a little bit better, organize it better. So I just went ahead and took the lid, flipped it over, and just stacked them right next to each other, and it's just so much more organized that way. And then I absolutely love this, and I'm definitely gonna pick up another one just because I have so many lipsticks that I need to display and have them all displayed. Of course, I want to have them all displayed, so I want to go ahead and pick up another one of these and put it in my Alex drawer, because it just made it so much simple and easy to see them. Because if I mix them in with all my other lipsticks, I never see them, I never use them, and they just sit there for years without being touched. So I absolutely love this idea, and I definitely recommend you guys checking it out if you're looking for a way to display your lipsticks. That is a good way of doing it. Now let's jump into something else. So I usually use a facial toner when I'm done cleaning my face at night and all that stuff, but I use like a big old bottle, and it was just so annoying, like turning it over onto the cotton swab thingy. And I was like, wait, I saw this. This is such a good idea, because you can pour your toner inside of here, and all you have to do is take your cotton swab and just push it down, and you get all of the liquid on there without making a big old mess. The best idea ever, and it's only $1, guys. Only $1. You could put absolutely anything in here, nail polish remover, anything that you want to put in here, and all you have to do is just press this little button down, and all the liquid comes out. And it was only $1. Like, I was like, oh my god, this is like the best best idea ever. And talking about cotton swabs, I was also looking for a storage for the cotton circles, and I went ahead and found this one at Dollar Tree. Such a good idea. I put my cottons and I put like ear swabs in there too. Best idea ever. And I just put it like around my sink where I put it on my sink where all my cleansings and toners and all that stuff is at. I put it right next to there, so when I'm ready to use it, I just go ahead, open it, and apply it to my face. And I absolutely love this. Super cute. I love the rose gold and like the different colors of this. And I got it, like I said, at the dollar store for $1. You could use it for any other thing that you want, like storing other stuff in there. You can do whatever you want with it, but I just felt like the cotton swabs were the best thing to store it in because I needed a place to store it at. And then that was such a good idea of doing. And then the next two things that I'm going to show you guys are for like accessories and jewelry. So I saw this one at the dollar store, and it comes with 3 compartments, and then it does come with a lid. And this is also a good way of storing your lipsticks and then using the lid for something else. So that is another idea that you can do with this. But what I have it for is for jewelry. So I store all my jewelry in here, and I just put the lid and then I put it away, and then when I'm ready to use it, I'll take it out. And it's such a good idea. And also you can use it for your lipsticks. Also, another way of storing your lipsticks and displaying them is using that also. So I gave you guys another idea. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is this little basket that I found at Dollar Tree, and I use this to store all my headbands. I have all my headbands stored here because before I used to have my headbands stored like in a little box, but I would never see them because they were stored in a box. So I went ahead and picked this up, and now I can see them. I display it in my closet, and I can see like the headbands, and I can use them. So that's a good way of displaying your headbands also. And yeah, that is it. That is all the beauty hacks that I have for Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye, loves.